ang garden ko. Look! Pinalitan na ang chair. Okay, kasi oo, masyadong marami na siyang scratches. Oh. Look! Yan! That's what you get when you have a cat. Look! Ay! That's what you get when you have a cat. Okay. Dan sa likod. Yung hoodie niya. Oh, ha! O, isuksok na yung hoodie. Ang hoodie ni ang hoodie. Sa tiyan niya walang ano. Oh, panda. Kung Fu Panda. New hoodie. Cloud's new hoodie. And he's eating now. Let me see your attire. New hoodie. Let me see. Wow. How nice. Yoo-hoo. Popcorn on a rainy day. Pop, pop, pop. Puno na eh. Oh, diba? Okay, almost done. Yan si Cloud, oh. With the panda hoodie, which I made for him. Ito lang, medyo masikip sa kanya. So, but we did it. So, we'll make another one. That's the strawberry hoodie. Okay. Here's the shorts. Ito lang ang gagawin ko. Simplified. Dito, ito yung kanyang body. Look here. Okay, yan na. That's it. I'll just cut it and then sew a little. This part here, no need. Finished na yan. So, ito na lang. Dito at dito. Lagyan ng konting extension. Ganyan. Adjustment. And that's it. Okay. Dito, banda. Dito, ganito. Ganyan. No? Kamayin ko na lang kamo. Hindi na ako gagamit ng sewing machine. Tahiin mo na lang siya ng kamay mo. Ito ngayon, malaki na talaga. Look at this. Yung, dito na yan, may garter pa. Look. Diba? Yung hoodie ni Cloud may garter pa. Tapos, yung para sa kanyang sleeves, ito na. Diba? Solve lang yan eh. Paano ang shorts magiging hoodie ni Cloud? Ganito lang ang ating gagawin. Ito pa ganito lang yan eh. Ito. Dito tatahiin yan siya eh. Shoulder blades ni Cloud. Ito naman yung kanyang sleeves. Dalawang sleeves niya dalawang sleeves niya kasi double yan eh. Look at that. Liliitan na lang natin. Pag ganito tingnan nyo naman yan. Dito na ako talaga kukuha ng shape niya. Dito na talaga ako kukuha ng shape niya Kita nyo yan? Ito po. Ito. Yan din ang shape natin. Hindi na nga ako gumamit ng tailor's chalk. No need for the tailor's chalk. Yung kabila, can you see? Ito. Kasi dalawa yan eh. Dalawa yan. Wait lang. So, hahatiin natin. So, no problem. Basta this one, no need to to sew. Dito na lang tayo sa baba kasi hindi mahihiwalay ito eh. We can't separate the two sleeves if we will not cut here. So, kailangan pa rin siya talagang i-cut. We need to cut that portion. So, okay lang. No problem. Okay, there you go. Dalawa yan eh. Okay, here we go. Ganyan. Tapos ito, babaliktarin mo lang siya. Voila! Taran! Okay, diba? Looky! Oh, diba? Ito na yung hoodie niya. The hoodie will look like this. Oh, cut mo na lang siya. Wait. Usog natin dito. Simplified. Shorts into hoodie. Ito na. Ayan. May garter pa yan, oh. With garter. With garter. Si Cloud. With garter. Claudia. Remove this portion here. Remove the portion. Actually, pwedeng may garter. Yung ito, neckline niya. Minsan, di mo na kailangan ng hoodie, di ba? Pero anyway, gamitin na rin natin siya. Ito, i-shape na natin siyang paganyan. As the hood. O, di ba? So, i-shape na rin natin. Paganyan. Okay na? Paganito na lang. Wait a minute. O, sige, lakihan natin para, in case it won't fit, meron pa tayong konting allowance. That's it. Ito na ngayon ang ating hoodie. Look at that. Woohoo! Woohoo! O, diba? Tingnan mo naman. O, diba? Oh, look at that. Okay, tahiin na natin. Okay. Here's the portion that I will use for the hoodie. Yeah, that's it. Like this. So, we're going to sew it this way. So, we'll do it by hand this time. Here is my... Okay. Towards. Okay, now let's just do our running stitch. So this is called running stitch. Running stitch, guys. Running stitch, as though you are running. So a needle pulling thread. Though a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, far, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. Ganyan. Oh, diba? So, there you go. Let's finish this, guys. Done. With less sewing. I sewed it by hand and less sewing because we made use of the garter, we made use of the hems. Ayan, oh. Oo. Doon na mismo. Yan, kaya we did not sew them anymore. This is an old short, so ang ginsew na lang is here. Oh, at saka yan. So we'll try it on. Cloud, wake up. Wake up, Cloud. Eh, kawawa naman yan. Look! Strawberry! Si strawberry shortcake. Wow naman! Look at that! Oh, tingnan mo. Bebe. Show. You show us your arm. Yeah! Ang cute naman! Look at that hoodie. So nice on you. Ooh, ha. Wow, how nice. Oh, kasyang-kasya talaga. Hindi naman sikip cloud, no? Just right. Just the right size. O, diba? Strawberry cat. Uy, strawberella. Cutie. Do you like it? Wow, nice. Nice, nice. Okay, we're done. Yay! Super strawberry cat. Look. The super strawberry cat. With the hoodie and the garter. How nice. Well, let me see. Patingin nga ng hoodie. Ooh, huh? The hoodie is so nice. Cute, cute. Now you're super cat. How nice.